Hi friends, this is Dr. Rohan Birani. So lot of people, age of 18, 22, 25, the wisdom tooth starts coming and suddenly you have a very acute pain in the mouth. Now typically what we are doing is to evaluate the situation. We have an in-house OPG X-ray machine. So today we have this patient, we have done her in-house OPG X-ray, which I will show you on my screen right now. So once we have taken the X-ray, we see the wisdom tooth is coming out. Now what happens, a lot of time the dentists are simply recommending you keep taking medicine and the patient remains in pain, or sometimes the dentist tell you just remove the wisdom tooth. But what I have seen from my experience, that if the wisdom tooth is coming in the correct direction and it is useful for chewing, like in her case the opposing tooth is nice, even this tooth is coming nicely in the direction, there is no need to remove the wisdom tooth. So what we do, we just help the tooth to come out. Right now what is seen, as you are seeing on the image right now, the skin has come over the wisdom tooth, or the tooth is actually trying to come out of the skin, and because she is biting on the skin and the food is getting trapped, she is having the pain. So instead of removing the whole wisdom tooth surgically, the best simplest way is to do a procedure called operculectomy. Now what is operculectomy? It's a very simple 5-minute job which I will show you the surgery. Just the skin which is not allowing the tooth to come out and trapping all the food, we will cut off under local anesthesia. It is absolutely painless procedure, and the moment we remove the skin, in couple of days time the tooth will come out and she will have good amount of relief. So this is a very successful procedure I have done for many cases. So no need to unnecessarily remove the wisdom teeth. We are giving the topical spray. So what happens with the spray, when I am going to prick her in that area where there is lot of infection, she is not going to have any pain. So now I am going to just give local anesthesia to her. This is my local anesthesia syringe. Just let me know, this is getting good angle. You're getting? सक्शन में ना आ जाए, स्क्रीन संभालना. Let it be on, no problem. I'll just edit it. Just show the skin nicely. Just zoom in. Just go closer. Just go closer. Just go. And now we just zoom in the post-operative view. So like you saw friends, this procedure hardly takes 1 or 2 minutes. It is absolutely painless, and by removing the skin which I showed you, she will definitely we'll give her some painkillers for 2-3 days, but because now we have removed the skin, that tooth will come out, and definitely I will share the picture after 3 days with you, and she should be absolutely fine. Okay Jesse, you are okay? कुछ pain नहीं हुआ? Fine? Right? Okay friends, thank you.